Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end, got a giveaway, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, today, McDonald's sausage egg McMuffin. Made from plants, of course. Guys, this is super easy and super delicious. I swear you can't tell the difference. Alright, let's get into your ingredient list. Vegan English muffins. Comment below if you'd like to see me do a video on how to make these. Super firm tofu. I like this brand right here because it's already drained and pressed, takes all the work out of it, and we're trying to make a quick breakfast here. Lightlife Gimme Lean Veggie Sausage. This stuff is great because you can work it into any shape you want. If you haven't seen my sausage pinwheel video, go ahead and check that out as well. Alright, CHAO cheese. This stuff is awesome. I like the way that it melts. I like the way that it tastes, actually. Alright, go ahead and set your broiler to high so we can get those muffins toasting. Okay, let's make our egg. Tofu on its sides. Slice down this way so you have a nice little rectangle to work with. Grab the top of a mason jar and then you can cut a little circle into it. Save those little pieces around the edge. Throw them in the Tupperware of the rest of the tofu. You don't want to waste anything. And now we've got our little circular egg. Alright, grab a cast iron skillet and a non-stick for the sausage and the egg respectively, medium-high. Alright, split your muffin and get to work on the sausage. You're going to want to cut off about an inch here, and then that way you can take it and you can work it in your hands and get it to about the size of your English muffin. And then you want to take that, you throw it into your cast iron skillet and get it going. Take some olive oil, put it in the non-stick, grab a brush and take some of that oil and brush it onto your muffin. Now throw those into the broiler. Alright, now we're going to put our egg in there, salt and pepper on each side when you flip. Take your bun out, throw the cheese on, put on the bottom, put the bottom back in by itself. Flip your sausage, flip your egg, salt and pepper again. Take out the cheesy side of the muffin. Woo, smoky, smoky. Take it out, put it on. We're stacking the egg now. Alright, throw on the crown. Woo! Guys, this is tasty. This is so delicious. I'm telling you, it may seem too simple, but it's not. It's really, really good. Okay, let's get into the giveaway. Thug Kitchen 101, healthy as what? Giving away one of those at the 500 subscriber mark. Again, please like, subscribe, comment below, tell me what you love, tell me what you didn't love. We're going to do a lot of these videos. We're going to get better as we go along. Thanks, y'all.